How to back up external storage. Open Sync and Backup, then create a task. Select Backup between storage pools as the backup type. Then choose the external storage device as the source and the destination folder on your NAS. Configure the backup mode and schedule as needed. In the Preview page, enter a task name, then enable Backup immediately after creation. To automatically start a backup whenever the external device is connected, enable Backup instantly. When external device is connected, click Confirm to create the backup task. View your backup task from the task list. Click More for edit and delete options. Once completed, the status changes to Successful. Open Files, select the external device, right-click it, then choose Eject and click Remove to safely disconnect it from your NAS.